Okay, he just rolled over for me. He's 2.5 weeks old. See if we can catch him on tape doing it again. Come on, buddy. Do it again. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Oh. Keep going, bud. You can do it. Come on, Logan. There it is! Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. 2.5 weeks old. Ah, what a trooper.